Hello everyone, this is John Lin from Moldex 3D. Today I would like to share how to create a customized template for the report. And first, in Studio, we can find the report wizard to create the report, which in the home page just nearby the result icon. You can find the icon named report. And click this one. Once we click this one, there's several things we can set up. The first one is the template. This one is the most important one. With different template, we can export different results. And user can create their own template. So we will go back to this topic later. And once we select the template we want, the next one, we can set up the image settings. For example, the format for the image could be PNG or JPG or others, and also what is the resolution for each image. And the next one is about the video settings. Currently, we can only export GIF file in Report Wizard. Hopefully, we can support more in the future. So right now, it's not possible to find an AVI or MP4 file format for the video. And what we can set for the video is the resolution, and so how long this video will be, and also how many frames in 1 second for this video. And the last one is the name of the report, also where we can save this report. And after all of them be set up, just click the start. The report wizard will create the report based on all the settings and also this template. Now go back to the template setting. We already provide some default template that user can use, but usually the default template have too many information inside, which means if we use the default template, usually there's more than 100 page or more than 100 slide in the PowerPoint. It's not very convenient. So we can find the other general template in this path. Under C, Moldex 3D R17 template, there's a PowerPoint named Studio General Template. And in this template, it records all the code or command that we can use to create our own report template. For example, you can see here, it means get the report name from the project, and this command means get the remark name for this project.